Hey guys, and happy Wednesday. So today we actually dug a little bit in the garden. I also went ahead and I bought some new pillows. I will show you in a second. And we also have big plans here to build a new deck for the balcony and also make the entrance and the drive-through all the way up to the house a little bit nicer and better. So now I'm about to go and grab some flowers as well and make it a little bit more cozier here. So what I've gotten so far are these two for the flowers, and I think they are so cute. And we also got this lion that I really love, and here is also the deck so far, how it looks. So I got these pillows right here, which are called the Resort Blue or something, and I really love them. So I actually got 4 of those. So I got one in that chair, and then we also got 2 here. And so I really love how this turned out. So we have a little view right there, and we also wanted to have some walls right here to cover up the wind and make it a little bit more cozy for nighttime. So we also picked up these light balls that is hanging on each side, but I will also go and get some for this side as well. So this is before renovation. And here are what I showed you earlier. It was grass all over here, a lot of like roots and stuff. So now we actually have digged up everything, so we can actually park 2 of our cars right here. And then I think we will build on the deck from the balcony all the way over here. So I guess that will look a little bit better as well. So we have like more outdoor space, have a cute gate, get some new fence, and just make it a little bit more cozier. So here is a little update. So my dad just left. He just came over to flatten everything, so everything is ready for the new white stone thing that we're gonna have here. I'm not sure what the name is in English, but we're gonna have like bunch of like small stones like these ones in white all over here, which will look so good, I hope. So everything is flattened out, so we're gonna finish the parking space and everything around here before we're leaving, and then we will have to build out the patio once we get home from vacation. So we're also gonna build up this patio right here and have 2 steps like all around the corner, which will be easier to get in and out. So hopefully that will look great. I'm also very happy with the new flower bed, and as you can see we have a bunch of leftover stones that I think I will make like 2 round circles where the gate will be in. We will see once everything is done, but I really love how the flower bed turned out right now. We still need to fix the stones so everything looks even. And this one is already dying because that is a spring flower, so that will turn all green soon. And yeah, that's a little update. So we're leaving tomorrow and we're going on a road trip for 8 or 9 days, which will be exciting. We will go around Norway because of the situation. And I also did a haul today, so I thought I would show you what I got. I got some cute home decor. I also got some clothing for the trip that we're going on. I'm very stressed out. We're leaving in like 11 hours. I still haven't packed. I still haven't done nothing, I feel like. But I thought I would start off by showing you some bits and pieces that I got today, and also a little spin around the bedroom because I have updated a little bit in here. So I pretty much show you the bedroom in the last video. I got some new pillows for the bed, so I wanted to share those with you. So actually these ones are from IKEA, the long ones, and then I also got these ones at IKEA as well. I think they fitted so well with the other pillows, and these I got from Home and Cottage. So that is a little update in the bedroom, and if you haven't seen last vlog, go and check it out because then you can see how I transformed the bedroom and how I made these frames and stuff, and I'm so happy that I did it. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous and I'm obsessed. I just feel like it totally has a new vibe and I absolutely love it. So I actually have like a lot of decor pieces that I bought today that I thought I would show you, and then I also have a few fashion items as well that I thought I would show you. So I thought I would go through everything that I got. So let's just start with the home decor. I will unpack everything up and then show you on the bed because that is easier. So here is everything that I got, and I am so happy, and I think I made a great deal because all of these are right up my alley. It's totally my style. So the first thing that I got is this vase right here, and it actually looks like this. So it has like a silver lining all the way up here. And I thought I would use this to have candles in this one and have it on my coffee table. Then I also got two of these ones, and I really love these. And these are also like candle holders, or you can store like perfume bottles or anything that you want to display. So I actually picked up two of those, and I'm not sure where we'll have it yet. So I got these ones last week, and as you can see I have a lot of like silver and mirror details in the bedroom. Then I also got two of these candle holder here as well. I'm obsessed with candle holders at the moment. I'm not sure why, but I picked up two of these, and I really love that you can hold like smaller candles but also those big cubes as well. So I think I will have one on my dinner table because I have like a smaller one, so I think it will look cute with a big and small, and maybe this will go on the coffee table. I'm not sure yet, but I'm sure I can find a place for it. And last but not least, I also picked up two of these flower pots, and I am obsessed. Like, I love everything like Victorian styled or vintage style. So these were the only two left, so I'm so glad I got two of these. So that was all the home decor that I picked up, and now let's move over to clothing. So the first thing that I picked up is these Karl Lagerfeld soup pants, I would say, and I actually have this in black already. So I knew that I loved it, and I was so happy when I found it in white because I've been obsessed with white lately. So it has this trim on the side which says Karl Lagerfeld all the way down. It also has some pocket here on each side, and what I really love about these ones as well are that they are a little bit stretchy, so you don't feel uncomfortable, especially when you're sitting. They are high-waisted as well. I love these so much. So next, let's dig into the Zalando box. I'm so excited for these ones. I've been wanting to get like a white shirt dress for so long. So here you can see the shirt dress that I got, and I'm obsessed with shirt dresses. It kind of looks like the normal Ralph Lauren shirts on top, and then it goes wider all the way down here, and it also comes with a belt. So I can't wait to wear this on vacation. I think it will look so good and feel so comfortable on a very hot summer day. Then I also picked up another Ralph Lauren clothing piece, and this sweater is so cool. So this is kind of like a oversized cropped sweater, and on the back it says polo. So this I'm also bringing with me on vacay. Can't wait to wear this. And last but not least, from Zalando, I also picked up a pair of sneakers from Calvin Klein jeans. And let me just say, I am obsessed with these sneakers. So I think these look so sporty. I absolutely love the detailing on here that says Calvin Klein, and I also love the heel, that it has a little bit of a wider heel, so I will look a little bit taller. So I love these. These are coming with me on vacay as well, and I think these will look good both to the sweater but also to the dress. So be sure to check the down bar because everything will be linked, and also if I can find the home decor just in an international store or something similar, I will also leave that down below. So last but not least, I also picked up 2 items from Gaunt. So I got these sweat shorts and they are so comfortable on you guys, and they are a little bit high-waisted as well, which I really love. So I will definitely bring these with me as well on vacay. And last but not least, I also picked up this linen shirt. So I really love linen when it's summertime, and the fabric is so soft, it's so breathable, so light. This will also come with me on vacay, and that was pretty much everything that I picked up in my haul, you guys.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? I put my heart on the line through our phone in the night. No, I'm here by your side. So tell me, where are you now? When your head is in the clouds, I wanna find out now. 'Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my...
So it is a new day, and today it is Thursday, and we are now in a place which is called Odda. We're gonna stay here just for the night. So we just had some dinner at a very cozy restaurant down at the shore, and now we're on our way back. And the room that we rented, on the picture it looks so big. So this is like the smallest room I've ever seen, and yeah, it will be interesting to sleep with a baby. So this place is around like 3 hours away from where we live, and currently it's raining, not that cozy, and it's pretty cold. We are staying with my grandparents this first week of our vacation, and then we will leave by ourselves next Wednesday, and we will go all the way south in Norway to a place called Kristiansand, which is so cozy, and we're going to this amusement park to see tigers and a lot of cute animals, and they have like a pirate part, and they have a bunch, so I can't wait to go there, and also go to Zara to do some shopping, of course. The first day right now I haven't filmed that much because it has been raining, so hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit better. We're going to drive to another city that is like 3 hours away, and we're gonna be there for 2 nights, so hopefully that is a little bit cozier. So yeah, we're gonna drive back up to the camp, stay at my grandparents' like caravan for a few hours, and then we're gonna go to sleep. So see you later. Good morning. So today it is a new day. I just found my makeup in the suitcase, so I thought I would just quick do some brows, get a little bit more color, bronze up my skin a little bit, and also do something with my lips because they are so dry, and this will be the first time I'm wearing makeup in 4 weeks, which is pretty crazy. So I thought let's go ahead and just apply some I'm not sure if I will take foundation. I think I would just add some concealer. So I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm just quickly gonna dab a little bit here and also on my chin area, just to take away a little bit of that redness that goes on. And I'm sorry if the lighting is very bad. We got here yesterday. We got in pretty late because there were a lot of traffic, roadblocks, construction work, and it actually took us 7 hours instead of 2.5. So I was pretty tired when we came here. So we just relaxed, got some food, and fell asleep. So now I'm gonna add some powders. I'm using the Studio Care Blend by MAC, one of my favorites. It has been since I worked there. And I'm just gonna add a little bit around my face just to get rid of the worst like redness I have going on. But I don't want to cover up everything. I just want to have some light makeup on because I don't care today. The weather is terrible as well.
You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you